Planning to build a mobile app for your business? That sounds like a great idea. But does your business really need an app? Well, that's exactly what we are going to talk about in this video. According to research, more than 230 million US consumers own a smartphone, and most users have more than 10 apps installed on their phone. Since the number of app users is increasing, so is the demand for app development among firms and businesses. According to CompuWare, consumers are completely in favor of mobile apps these days. You'll be amazed to know that mobile apps are 85% ahead of mobile websites because they are 55% more convenient, 48% faster and 40% easier to browse. However, even though the app development market is growing faster than Beanstalk, some small businesses are still skeptical about whether or not they should invest in a mobile app. Their question is, why create an app for your business when you already have a mobile website? Well, there are plenty of good reasons why your small business needs both a website and a mobile app. Firstly, having both a mobile website and mobile app provides your business a competitive edge. You can offer your customers more flexibility by letting them choose the option they are more comfortable with. Secondly, businesses can increase their sales by sending out app notifications to customers when there are special discounts and deals being offered. Moreover, mobile phones help businesses improve their brand recognition. When a customer has your brand's app downloaded on his phone, he is going to look at it every time he uses his phone. This helps you build a deeper connection with customers. Other than that, mobile apps also allow you to offer your customers as many payment options as needed, allowing them to pay with their preferred payment method. This ultimately helps increase customer satisfaction. Lastly, mobile apps allow businesses to collect customer data. This can be used to improve business performance, target the right audience, and get a better understanding about what the customer actually wants. Want to learn more about the importance of mobile app development for small businesses? Visit invozone.com today.